Hold on for a second. All right. What I am doing, I'm recording the screen, and what happens is when I copy and paste certain scenes. So, for example, I copy scene 1, right, and paste it right here. Okay, I do my edits. I edit it, but then I copy scene 1, so I go through all the scenes, copy it, edit it, whatever. But I go back to scene 1, copy, paste. It's a new scene, so it's scene 1, but I want to create more scenes in my comp. I want to basically keep reusing these scenes in my comp, the original 7 that was given to me when I purchased the template. This is a template, right? So, okay, so I go through all the scenes. I've copied all the scenes, edited all the scenes. So when I go and recopy scene 1, copy, paste, and I want it to be a new scene. I want it to, it's the same thing. It's the same sequence, it's the same template, but it's just going to be a new scene in the sequence. Right? So you got all your scenes right here. Bam, bam, bam. Go through your scenes. So I chose scene 3 to go first. Scene 4, 5, 6, 2, 7, and 1. But let's say I did 1, so I went through all the scenes. I want to do 1 again. Right? It's another sequence. Another set in the sequence. Another scene in the sequence. I make scene 1, paste it, and then I start editing the scene. When I edit the scene, it edits every scene that I have copied and pasted from the template of scene 1. Right? So let's say I have 16 scenes in my new comp from the template. Out of the 16, I use 3 7s, I use 2 6s, I use 2 5s, I use 1 4, I use 4 3s, and I use 4, I don't know, it doesn't add to 17, but 16, but the point is I use 3 scene 1s. I use 3 templates of scene 1. All those templates, if I go and edit each one of them, it edits the other 2. Right? So I have 3 of them. I edit scene 1. I edit the third one that I duplicated or copied and pasted into my new comp. The third one, it edits the first 2 ones. So I want it to be independent. Even though I copied and pasted pretty much the exact template of scene 1, copy and paste or duplicate and put it over here of scene 1, even though I have, and I want to rename it. So I want to rename it, new scene 1, new scene. Even though it's scene 1, I can rename it. Let's say it has a lot of stars in it. So, or rename whatever the voice or whatever the audio is. So let's say the audio is different text. I rename each scene of scene 1, even though it's the same template, and rename it new things. But even if I rename it, I edit the third version, even though it's scene 1, and I edit it, it changes scene 2 and scene 1. It changes all the edits. Even if it's 17 different scenes in my new comp right here, it still changes all the templates that I've used as scene 1. So how do I stop that? How do I constantly create or reuse scene 1 over, or scene 7 over and over again? These templates of scene 7, I purchased these templates. These are templates. I purchased it. If I can grab scene 1 or grab scene 3 and constantly repaste it 4 times, and I can edit each individual scene 3. Let's say I copied and pasted 4 times in my new comp. Each individual new copy can be edited independently of scene 4. So if I edit the third copy of it, doesn't edit the first copy or the third copy or the fourth copy. So how do I do that?